It is once again time for the Law on You with the area's premier attorneys, Molly Clark and Job Stepanski. Now, today's question is, one of those ones that I think people talk about around the water cooler. They think they know how things work. They maybe Google something. So I'm interested to seeing what you both expertly advise us with.
We'll do our best.
Here it is from Emily in Bloomsburg. She says, I've been dealing with pain since an accident, but the insurance offer barely covers my medical bills. The other driver's insurance company is lowballing my claim. How can I negotiate for fair compensation?
Well, you can continue to negotiate on your own, but I don't recommend that. This happens all the time. Sometimes clients will come to us and explain that this is how they've been dealing with the accident on their own. Before they got to us. But if you keep doing that, you could be missing out on some really important details that as not being a lawyer, you wouldn't know any better. It's not an easy thing to get through. It's not an easy thing to process. Plus you're dealing with pain and injuries and going to doctor's visits. On top of everything else, they are responsible. So they can't lowball you. And if you come to us, we will help make sure that doesn't happen. What do you think, Joe?
I think getting to a lawyer in this situation is also important because the insurance company, being that you're not represented, they can deal directly with you. They've presumably been dealing directly with you. There's certain things that they can do, like for example, getting a statement from you, and depending on what you said in that statement, that could be potentially used against you at some point, and that may be why they are lowballing you at this point in time. But again, it's important that you get to a lawyer very, very quickly so that something could be done about this.
So Emily, give them a call right now. If you wanted your question answered like her, all you have to do is visit the websites or give that hotline a call.